Hello, welcome to Scratch. I'm going to teach you how to follow me if you like my YouTube accounts. Follow me on Scratch, not YouTube accounts, my YouTube videos. I'll teach you how to follow me on Scratch. So, cool cow guy. You just search that one word, not cool cow tutorials, and a bunch of different things come up. And just press this little picture of the cow. Hang on, not too hard. Yep, then this will appear. So for you, there'll be a little blue button that says follow, and you can click it and then you'll be following me. So I've taught you that. That's a bit fast, so I'll teach you something a bit longer. How to follow the Axolotl Rebellion. It's something I made up. So there's this button here. Now let me just... a little button here appears. All you need to do is click it. Oh, not hard. Click it. And ta-da! If you like axolotls, do that too. I'll teach you how to like one of my projects now. So there are two buttons here. A heart button and a star button. So just click both of them if you want to support me. And ta-da! I've been supported by you. Well, I think it was a bit of a short video, so I could show you something I've made. Okay, something else I've made. Oh, no. That was a video that didn't work. It never turned out. Sorry, there. I didn't keep my word. There's no puppy in this video. Very sorry, it didn't work out. Okay, I'll show you some things I've made. Well, very proud of this. Very, very proud. Okay, that's not the best thing I've made. I'll show you something else. By the way, that was a bit of a joke. Something I really, actually, something that's good. This. Fried chicken shooter. So you need to click on the fried chicken. Oh, hang on. Yeah, there you go, then it explodes. There's all sorts of different things, like a high score and, oh, just found a way to cheat there. All sorts of different things, high score and, high score, little explosion animation, played background. One day, if you watch enough of my videos, you'll be this good too, probably, even without my videos. Still, keep watching them, please. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, follow me on Scratch, something you've learned, and tell your friends about this channel, and goodbye.